Hi, I'm Hilary Simon, Principal Physiotherapist at Ives Physiotherapy and Sports Therapy Centre. Today we're going to demonstrate how you can start doing some core strengthening exercises, stability exercises, making use of a foam roller. If you're not very stable to start and your core is very weak, these foam rollers do come in a half round, so there's a flat surface which is a little bit more stable than this foam roller. So just lie back on the foam roller, you sit with your bottom right on the edge of the roller and then carefully lie back with your head on the foam roller. So you might need to, there we go. So the first exercise we like to practice is doing some pelvic tilting. So think of your pelvis as a bucket and you want to tip the water out the back of the bucket and then bring your pelvis forward to tip the water out the front of the bucket. Okay. Once you've done that a few times to loosen up, to find the neutral spine, you come about halfway in between and imagine there's a little blueberry between your spine and the foam roller. So lift back a little bit more so that you're off my finger and think of a blueberry underneath there. When you're lifting your legs, you don't want to squash the blueberry, all right? So lifting one leg up into what we call tabletop. So 90 degrees at the hip and knee. And back down again. Now maintain that curve in your spine and lift the other leg up and slowly down. Now depending on how good your balance is, there are different positions for your arms. So they can be resting on the floor if you need stability. Try one with your arms just floating off the floor. Lift one leg and down and the other leg. And the idea is that you tighten up and you hold so that the foam roller doesn't move. The next progression with your arms as you strengthen up is to fold your arms across your chest. Think of keeping your core switched on and slowly lower your leg, other leg up and down. And the next progression is lifting your arms up into the air. So bring them together just there. And if you're feeling really strong, you can hold a light weight in each hand and you would then repeat. Don't progress onto the next level unless you can comfortably do 10 reps on each side without falling off. And slowly down and relax. For the next exercise, what I'm going to ask you to do is lift your opposite arm and leg. So lifting left leg and right arm, and back down again. And now lifting right leg, left arm, and back down. The whole time we're maintaining a neutral spine, imagining that blueberry that we're not going to squash. Another exercise you can do to strengthen your core is floating one leg up. Now lengthen that leg out parallel to the ground. Bring the leg back up and place the foot back down on the mat. Lift the other leg, straighten your leg, bend your knee back up to tabletop and place the foot down on the ground. As you get stronger, you can practice with your arms just off the floor, doing the same. Straighten your leg. And down. All right, so once you're able to do that without wobbling all over the place, you could practice it with your arms across your chest or your arms up in the air with or without holding a weight.